The School District of Lancaster's International Baccalaureate program offers a world-renowned education for our students. IB is a way of learning and using real-world applications to solve complex problems. Our graduates embody the IB Learner Profile character traits, including open-mindedness, as you're about to hear. Open-mindedness means students critically appreciate our own cultures and personal histories, as well as the values and traditions of others, and seek and evaluate a range of points of view to grow from the experience.
Right, because all the setups have to be the same. One of those things we have to control is we need the same amount of liquid.
In our lab today, we are testing samples of water for dissolved oxygen, which is found in all water. And then we're going to add some fertilizer to both the distilled water and the water here found on campus and test to see if the oxygen amounts will decrease. It's a big problem in our world as eutrophication can hurt aquatic ecosystems. So it's a real world application as it not only affects our ecosystems, but it affects us. Like, we eat the fish, we live in this world.
So we're always allowed to express our opinions and use our own minds to think instead of Mr. Hess telling us this is what's right, this is what you're supposed to be doing with the environment.
So today's lesson was part of our unit on agriculture and food production globally, food security. The IB Environmental Systems course is new this year, and what's really nice about this is it's a mix of kind of experimental sciences and social sciences. So students can do some of the hands-on practical work like you saw kids doing today, but then other times it's discussion around some of the social issues related to environmental problems, that global mindset. So we're not just focused on Lancaster City or Lancaster County, but with all the different content and subject areas that we're looking at, we go global and we look at issues worldwide.
I think some of my friends get really overwhelmed with IB, and so do I, but I think it's even good that happens because we learn how to manage it.
It's important to know that we all work together on this earth, we all live together, and in order to do anything about the world's problems, about problems in ecosystems, and about climate change, which is relatively current, we all have to work together and have open minds. So I find that I'm learning things that I know actually relate to what I'm gonna do in my life.